guys, it's Lee here from Mombasa, Kenya guys. Today I'm at a place where the Indians live, and the building that you'll see here for the Indians. I want to take you through this place. I'm told that it is Mwembe, but I can see many people who are living here, all who are doing the businesses here are the Indians. So I want to explore this place to see how good it is, and even the building guys. We wanna see them, how they are guys. So let me explore with you. Let's go guys. Just to see that building that is built by the Indians, and this place is occupied by the Indian people. I'm just exploring this place to show you how it is. You can see the vehicles. Like this is a hotel fair. This building here. That word I'm just announcing it how it is written. Guys, I'm just exploring this place. I'm going to show you the place where I have seen a temple. Just walking on this place here, as you can see the traffic is just a little bit, not much of how it is. This here is a building for the business, and this one is a self-free, genuine tuk-tuk sphere. These are the vehicles parked because of that building there, and there is also another apartment. As you can see guys, I'm just walking on this place, explaining to you a place where a number of people who are living here are the Indians. Let me go and prove to you the temple that is at this place guys. This place is a part of Mwembe, as you can see guys, but I'm just exploring to you, showing you how things are going on to this place here. Just see the building. See the vehicles parked. Those vehicles parked are for the people who are just doing the business in this place, where the people in India, Indian people, not Indian, people of the Indian investors lives at this place here. Just see the building. Most of them are painted white with a blue color as a symbol of Mombasa. There is also another junction here. This road, I don't know where it is going. I'm just passing very fast guys. Let me wait for that vehicle to just pass like that, then let me show you there. Just walking on this place here guys. This is a road, and this is the pedestrian part. If you want the madafu, that palm juice, you can get them there. There is alien samaj. Guys, in the comment section, if you are from India, you wanna read for me that word, to tell me, does it mean of the Indian? Let me show you from here guys. That word, that one there. I hope you have seen it. There is a stage here where I can see matatus. Some are written and no reason. There is Mombasa Noble Education Center. This place here, Madras Tour. Let me show you here. Guys, you can see, just see. At this place of Mwembe guys, there is a Sika temple. Let me show you from the camera. Yeah, there is a Sika temple. And that is Sika temple guys, but I can see it is closed. So I'm just exploring to you. This is the highway. There is also a mosque in front of me, as you can hear that sound of the imam just reading the prayers. This is the stage where the vehicles are parked. A stage where the vehicles are parked. This is part of Mwembe guys, but this place here, the most people who live here are from India, the Indian investors. There is a temple, but also there is a mixture of other people living here also, not only Indians. Just exploring to you this place here, showing you how it is. There is a place that I see in a temple, guys. Let me just later show you. As you can see, this place is very busy. Just see the building. The place is very busy. Very busy. I'm just walking, guys. Okay, guys, I've passed that temple. I was to show you, but I have passed. But let me just stand here and show you. You can just see there, at that place there, guys. That is the temple that I was telling you. So this is Mwembe here. This one here. You can see the vehicles, how they are parked. But this is a business center because of the vehicles and the activities that are being done here. Guys, just walking. I have reached at Naivas. Walking at this place of Mwembe, guys, on the other side. Just walking, guys, just walking. These are the building there. This is the roundabout, guys. As you can see, this is the roundabout. People and the vehicles standing around. That is the mosque. As you can just hear that sound. Guys, as I was just exploring at Mwembe there. So I'm just continuing, connecting this place up to the end of Mwembe, guys. Actually, as you've seen, that place where I was coming from, I told you it was known as Mwembe. Now I'm just exploring this, going back side. You can see this place, how it looks like. Actually, guys, how it is, the buses, the vehicles parked outside are very attractive and very good. The buildings at this place, you see, that place where I started this video from. I told you that many people who live there are the Indians. So those people, there was a temple there I showed you, as you can see, and also the other businesses that were going there. Most of the people who are doing them were Indians. So this is also part of Mwembe. And when I reach at a place, I will show you Naivas. You know, this is the symbol that it shows somebody is at Mwembe. There is actually at this part of Mombasa, Kenya. Just exploring, guys, just exploring. This is the bus known as Tamdi Mashara. Just exploring, guys. These are the mini buses. At this place, you know, it's like a market because the buses are people traveling from other parts of the country. All of them, their goods converges here. And as their goods converges here, you see, that's why this place is very busy, because many bus stations are here. So I'm just walking, I'm here to show you. The Naivas. The Naivas, as you can see, it combines of many things. It combines of the many things. Naivas, you can see the legacy fitness gym. And this is the roundabout. This is the roundabout. From that side there, you can see the tuk-tuk, the vehicles passing, and also the people, guys. On this side, other side, the symbol of this place, how it looks like. Guys, actually it is very enticing and very attractive, guys. So this is Mombasa, Kenya. This is Mombasa, Kenya, guys. As I'm just exploring to you, this is the mosque that I shown you there. Now I'm just continuing going forward. There are businesses here, the people just doing the business and everything. This is the neighbors. This is the neighbors, and also this is the stage of other buses. You can see in the middle of the road there are bulbs that lights at night so that they provide security. And this is the biggest mall in Mombasa at this place of Mwembe. So guys, I'm just walking, showing you part of Mombasa, Kenya. On this other side, there are many people here because others are coming from work, others are coming from job, and others are just doing the business. The building there, guys, you can just see them how they are. There is Nawal Center. Nawal Center, guys, actually. So the businesses here, actually, the soil things are, those medicines are very enticing, guys. Very enticing, guys. So everything is how it is here. As let me reach at the end of this building known as Nawal Center, then I will end the video. The vehicles parked here for doing the business. On the other side there, that is the road heading to Mwembe Kuku, and yeah, Mwembe Kuku. You know this place in Mombasa, they have names that you don't know how they came up with those names. Just walking, guys, just walking. Yeah, the place is a bit busy, but I'm just walking. There is a okay for the river taste of chicken. This is a restaurant of chips and chicken, guys. Actually, this place here, there is a building. You can see it, so I want to go on the other side. So guys, just see how things are going on here. The place is very busy, very busy, guys. The place is very busy. Let me just walk on the other side there and just see how the place looks like actually. So guys, let me just go on the other side, and then after going on the other side, I want to end this video here, but you can see there is a traffic jam. There is traffic jam, guys. So let me just you have seen how the place looks like, guys. You can see how the place looks like and how everything is going on here. There are many people, but the place is a bit quiet. You can just feel. There is Juma Center in front of me. Let me reach and show you. In front of me there is a building known as the Juma Center. At this place of Mwembe, guys, and there is a junction. There is a junction, guys. So guys, this is the end of Mwembe. On the other side there, that is poster. Let me just end this video here, guys. Hope you have enjoyed about it. Let's meet on another video.